What I hope people will get out of this will be an incredibly special night out where you're able to walk in the woods with nature, with your own family or with your friends, and be able to enjoy some absolutely world-class sound and light installations which have in fact travelled around the world. For the Birds is a show that's been evolving over the past 5 years, and it's came out of a series of works that we've been developing as a collective of artists which express both our passion and also our concern for the state of bird life and ecology within the UK and worldwide. Emotionally, I think, is really charged, not only with the celebration of birds, but also underneath that there is an underlying message that you can pick up, which is to do with actually our anxiety that we feel towards the predicament of the natural world. The show that's appearing in Milton Keynes really is a show at its peak, and we found, I think, the perfect space for this show.
You start scratching the surface of things to do with birds, and you suddenly start finding more and more interesting things that you want to explore within the ideas of sound and light and an experience that you could have outside.
Underlying motive from making shows like this is to kind of raise awareness of environmental issues, to sort of instill a sense of value and connection with the environment. It allows people to walk through a familiar place but experience it from a completely different perspective.
Each one of us as an artist has a different approach, a different aesthetic, so we get a wide range of really beautiful work here.
I mean, in the end we're all playing outdoors with light and sound and kinetics really, and trying to create magic, trying to create mystery.
We are, as grown-ups and children, a little bit afraid of the dark, so there's a little bit of tension, but as you go around a corner, suddenly you'll come across an installation which will just completely enchant you, so that all of that evaporates. So it's an emotional journey, and that's how we really touch people with this work.